Excalon was established in 2002. Our mission is to deliver essential utilities. That's gas, that's water and power. The fact that we're responsible for rolling out that infrastructure, linking all of our local communities, is what keeps us all passionate and delivering daily. We have built the workforce up to 420 skilled people. We have a major focus on training at all times, and we delivered 926 days training last year, which we believe really gives us the edge in the industry.
Our main works are overlaying electric cables, repairing faults, maintenance of primary substations, multi-lane, gas, water, electric, overhead lines. We do jointing, engineering, up to 132. We've come so far in the last few years because of our attention to detail, and everyone is aware of the quality that is required when working for Excalon.
Health and safety is obviously paramount within the business due to the utilities and the complex infrastructure projects that we're working on. To mitigate these risks, we have regular communication, we have safety briefings at the start of the job, and we do a daily specific risk assessment. So good communication between the staff, everyone knows what they're doing, and we all go home safely. I take great pride in my job. We're out there repairing, reinforcing the network to keep people's lights on, keep people warm and safe, and to ensure that the network can keep up with the ever-increasing demand.
The work of Excalon is absolutely essential. I'm passionate about working here because of what we actually deliver for the community. We take for granted the natural services, but we all need them daily. We clearly connect communities, we connect transport, we provide power. I think we do a really important job. I see our brand everywhere and I'm proud of that brand.